Free CMD/PowerShell replacement with normal copy-paste. I don't know why, but I hate pressing Ctrl+V and getting V in the PowerShell and CMD windows. I always do it and then I have to backspace it, find my mouse, then right-click, and select Paste. Is there a free fix to this? Some way to say, hey, I want Ctrl+V to work like the other 99.999999% of the applications out there.
Easy with Auto Hotkey. Save that with an awk extension and run it.
You can turn on Quick Edit mode in CMD and PowerShell. This makes right mouse click into a paste, no menu fly out. Right click on the top of your shell window, either CMD or PowerShell, select Properties, check the box for Quick Edit. Redo the steps but select Defaults in Step 2, to make sure you will have the setting permanently.
You can try Console 2, PowerShell, tool the free version.
You can use PowerShell Eyes. It uses the usual Windows shortcuts.
I haven't tried this but this URL. There's a command for getting clipboard. This URL. You could perhaps add this to a Ctrl+V menu item and see if it works out.